Hello guys, how to fix if your Windows update is stuck on restarting on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Sometimes when you try to update your system and it will ask and Windows system as fixes, first open control panel in your system and go to power option. Here from the left side, click on choose what the power button does. Click on change settings that are currently unavailable and make sure that turn on fast startup is disabled. If you found it enabled, then simply disable it and click on save changes. The next workaround to fix this issue is right click on a start button and choose settings. Here from the left side under system settings, click on troubleshoot. Choose other troubleshooters and here run the Windows Update troubleshooters. Click on run button to start Windows Update troubleshooting process. It will take some time. It will not only detect the problems, it will diagnose your system and try to fix your Windows Update stuck on restarting issues and various Windows Update related issues, and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on a start button and choose run command box. You may press Win+R shortcut key to launch run command windows. Here type msconfig and press OK. Perform a clean boot your system. Here go to services from the top menu bar and click on make hide all Microsoft services and choose disable all. Thereafter go to a startup tab from the top menu bar of system configuration windows and open task manager, and here look for any startup apps enabled, then manually right click on it and choose disable. Look for any enabled startup apps and manually disable it. Once completed, restart your system and check whether your Windows update is stuck on restarting error fixed or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next fixes is again go to Windows search CMD to open command prompt windows as run as administrator mode, and in command prompt windows execute some Windows update components as shown on screen. First, stop these 4 services. Execute these 4 commands one by one in command prompt windows, followed by enter key on each time. And once successfully execution of these 4 commands, execute these 2 commands also, software distribution and cat root folder. Same, execute this command. All this command path will also available in my video's description. You may copy from there. So simply copy it and paste it and press enter. After that, one successfully completion of this 6 command, the one more command is again go to start these services. You have earlier stopped them. Simply execute this command and press enter. After that, restart your system. Your problem will definitely be resolved. That's all.